Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11. If you want faster and more private internet browsing, one simple thing you can do is change your DNS server. Cloudflare provides a free public DNS service that focuses on speed and privacy, and it also supports IPv6 connections. First, open Settings on your Windows 11. A shortcut would be clicking on Windows plus I. Inside Settings, navigate to Network and Internet. This section contains all the configuration options related to your internet connection. Inside Network and Internet, click on your active connection and then select Properties. This will open the Network Connections window, where you can configure detailed network settings. Inside the Properties window, you'll see a list of networking components. Scroll downwards until you find the IP settings, then click on Edit. Here, you'll have to select the manual option since it's automatic by default. Look for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and turn it on. This opens the configuration page for IPv6 DNS settings. Now enter the Cloudflare IPv6 DNS addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 2606:4700:4700:1111. For the alternate DNS server, enter 2606:4700:4700:1001. These are the official IPv6 DNS servers provided by Cloudflare. They are designed to provide fast response times and enhanced privacy. After entering the DNS addresses, click Save to save the changes. Your Windows 11 system will now start using Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS servers. And that's how to set Cloudflare IPv6 DNS on Windows 11. By updating your network adapter settings and entering Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS addresses, you can improve your browsing speed and add an extra layer of privacy to your internet connection. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.